Hey everyone, thanks for stopping back by the channel, hanging out for a bit. Just want to give you guys a quick update on the Mitsubishi Minicab. I have everything taken out and the seats are next, and then the center console portion. The wiper linkage is all fixed. The speedometer cable has been routed, so that's ready to go back in. What we're going to do now is remove some of the sound deadening, the seats as I mentioned, and we're going to do a full stereo install and also paint the interior. So then it's all jammed out. You can see that I took all the window felts off and everything. So we're going to jam it all out and paint it. So then that way there, I don't have to take the interior apart one more time when I'm ready to paint the exterior. So that's what I'm working on right now, taking a break from the Mini Moto for the week, and hopefully get the rest of this all squared away and prepped by the end of the weekend. It's going to be raining anyway towards the end of the week, so perfect time to do all this stuff. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Appreciate you, and hope that you guys are having a good week on your end.